is bigger than 1. So step 1's done. Step 2, do your 2 sets of parentheses. When you're doing this homework, I highly recommend using a pencil because you might be doing a lot of erasing. Just giving you a heads up. Okay. Third step, think of 2 numbers that multiply to give you this front number in the x squared. What 2 numbers can multiply to give you 6?
3 times 2.
3 times 2, or
1 times 6.
1 times 6. Just from experience, go with the set that's closer together. So you've got 3 times 2, or you got 6 times 1.
Can we make a note for that?
Yeah. You could start with a 3 or 2. So choose numbers that are close. It doesn't always happen, but usually it does. Choose numbers that are closer together. So we're going to say 3 and 2. It doesn't matter if you put the 3 here or the 2 there. So I have 3 and 2, and what letter are we dealing with?
X.
So X and X. Okay, so that is step 3. Step 4, look at your constant. What's your last term?
15.
15. What 2 numbers multiply to give you 15?
2 and 5.
3 and 5. 1 and 15. Again, go with the closer set. I'm going to do it wrong. So do not copy this unless you want to show what it looks like when it's wrong. So just watch. You're saying 5 and 3. Now, I don't care that that doesn't add up to 19 because that's not how you think with Innie Outtie. You just think of 2 numbers that multiply. Now, the problem is I don't know where to put the 5 and the 3. I could put the 5 here or the 3 here. If I put the 3 here and put the 5 here, let me show you how you check it. This is using the Innie Outtie. Your inner numbers, what do you get when you multiply them?
6.
6. Your outer, or the Outtie numbers, what's 3 times 5? 15. Can 15 and 6 give you 19?
No.
No. So that is not the correct order. So if that's not the correct order, you switch the 3 and the 5. So I'm going to put the 5 here and the 3 here. What do you get with the innies now?
10.
10.
9.
And the outies?
9.
9. Can 10 and 9 give you 19?
Yes.
Yes. So we found our numbers.
So not only do we have to find the right pair, now we got to find the right order. What pair? This is the
Yes.
right?
Yes, I told you. I have to do the same steps. There's no fast track for me to show you. Now, the question is, with the 10 and the 9, do we have to add them?
Yes.
So what's the sign in front of the 19?
Positive.
So both of yours will be positive. And that's your Innie Outtie. So you could be sitting there for a while, do it. And what if it's a prime one and you're sitting there trying to figure it out? It could be prime all along. So that's why I gave you a heads up and let you know there are 4 of them in the homework that are prime.
Are they Innie Outties though?
Yep. They are Innie Outties.
So
Mm-hmm.
all right, let me see how I can ask this question. The 5 and the 2 and the 3 and then the 3, basically you need to get to 19 with what you have there.
Yes.
And you add, and then if you get the number, you're right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. And if not, you switch things around.
How many of these problems do you have that have in the exam?
I think there are 2.
2?
So that's 8 points.
8 points?
Yeah. Let's try another one. Let's say we have